Welcome to John Gervasi PhotoArts, where professional imaging and modern storytelling come together to create high-impact photos and videos that elevate your business and strengthen your brand in a competitive marketplace. We deliver executive-level headshots and brand portraits that project approachability, confidence, credibility, and leadership across every platform. For organizations that need to communicate with clarity and authority, we produce corporate brand videos, service explainers, internally focused videos, and other strategic B2B and B2C video content built to engage audiences and strengthen your market presence. In real estate, we create high dynamic range property photography, cinematic video walkthroughs, three-dimensional virtual tours, AI-generated media, and many other client-focused marketing add-ons that capture attention and drive results. Our drone imaging adds a powerful aerial perspective, while advanced photogrammetry provides accurate mapping and 3D visualization for businesses that rely on precision. See our drone services webpage to see the full range of services offered. And when your company hosts an important event, we deliver high-quality photography and video coverage showcasing your company's culture, achievements, and presence throughout DC, Maryland, and Virginia. We serve only professionals and their businesses. Every project is built with a corporate mindset, efficient, consistent, and aligned with your brand. This is John Gervasi PhotoArts, high-performance imaging and storytelling visuals for businesses that expect excellence. Call us today at 703-631-1727 or email us at john@jgphotoarts.com. To learn more about all of our services, visit our website at www.jgphotoarts.com.